Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sara Rabideaux with Hellenbrand Rabideaux Chiropractic. Today I'd like to take a few minutes to go through how some of you working from home can help set up your desk to be a little bit more ergonomic and provide a little extra support to your spine. When we're looking at a good office chair, the chair should have a lumbar support. You can see this chair has a nice curvature in the bottom of the back of the chair. That curvature should fall nicely into the small of the low back to provide that extra support throughout your day. If your chair at home does not have that extra support, you can take a towel or a sweatshirt and kind of fold that up into the small of the low back, and that can create a little extra support for you throughout your work day. When we look at the chair, how high up the chair should be, when you're sitting in the chair, you want your legs to be nice and parallel to the ground. When we have your legs parallel to the ground, you also want your feet to be flat on the floor. If your feet aren't flat on the floor and that creates your legs to be propped up, that can create a lot of tightness and tension on those hip flexors there. So what you want to do is you can prop up the chair a little bit, and if you need to, if your feet aren't flat on the floor, you can find a footstool or maybe a book or two to prop up underneath those feet so that they are nice and relaxed into that neutral parallel position. How far away you should be from your monitor is about an arm's length away. When you're about an arm's length away, the computer height, the tops of the screen of that monitor should be at or slightly below eye level. When you're looking at the screen kind of from straight on, that's a good rule of thumb, is it at or slightly below. As far as the keyboard placement, you want your keyboard to be not so your arms are kind of way out or sunk back in, because that could create tightness and tension in those trap muscles, but you want your arms to be at kind of a loose 90-degree angle. When you're at that loose 90-degree angle, you want your wrist to lie nice and flat. If it's propped up, that can create a little decreased blood flow to the fingers and the hands, so you want to be kind of in that neutral wrist position. If you incorporate some of these tips into your home work environment, hopefully they can provide a little extra support and a little more comfort throughout your work day. Thank you and have a great day.